Are you looking for the top 5 best table saws for woodworking? Hey folks, I'm here to save you some cash. I bought and tested these top 5 table saws for woodworking so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Let's dive in and find the best options out there that suit both beginners and seasoned pros.
Product number 1, Metabo HPT 10-inch miter saw. Let's kick things off with the Metabo HPT 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw. I was genuinely excited to test this one out because it's lightweight and boasts a powerful 15-amp motor that can reach speeds up to 5,000 RPM. I remember the first time I unboxed it, I was impressed by its sleek green design and how easy it was to set up. Right away, I felt confident in its capabilities. As I started working on some simple projects, I found the user-friendly design to be a game changer. The improved miter scale and controls allowed me to make precise adjustments without any hassle. I often struggled with securing my workpieces in the past, but the vise clamping system on this miter saw made sure everything stayed in place while I cut. It gave me a sense of security, knowing my fingers were far from the blade while I focused on my cuts. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Metabo HPT offers a 0 to 52 degree miter angle range and a bevel range of 0 to 45 degrees. I tackled various cuts from simple cross cuts to more complex angled cuts with ease. The adjustable bevel stops ensured that I didn't have to keep fiddling with settings. It was liberating. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. The lightweight design, while excellent for portability, might not provide the same stability as heavier models during extensive cutting tasks. Also, while it comes with a solid miter saw blade, I found that investing in a higher quality blade for certain hardwoods made a noticeable difference in the quality of the cut. So, why should you buy the Metabo HPT? If you need a reliable, portable, and powerful miter saw that won't break the bank, this one is hard to beat. Plus, the 5-year warranty gives you peace of mind. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a...
Product number 2, Works Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Work Table and Sawhorse. Next up is the Works Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Work Table and Sawhorse. I initially bought this for its dual functionality, and boy did it impress me. Setting it up was a breeze. It took me less than a minute to go from a compact fold to a fully functional workbench. I loved how easy it was to carry around due to its lightweight design, making it perfect for those on-the-go projects. During my tests, I found the 31 by 25-inch surface area to be surprisingly spacious. I tackled everything from woodworking to painting, and it held up beautifully under various pressures. The heavy-duty load capacity is no joke. It can support up to 300 pounds as a workbench and an astonishing 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. I was able to cut large sheets of plywood without any wobbling, which is a testament to its robust construction. One of my favorite features has to be the integrated clamping system. The included quick clamps and clamp dogs kept my workpieces secure, allowing for hands-free operation. I could focus on precision without worrying about my materials slipping around. However, I did notice that if you're working with particularly large materials, the table's height might be a bit low for some folks. I'm 6 feet tall, and I found myself bending a bit more than I'd like. So, why should you consider the Works Pegasus? If you're looking for versatility, portability, and durability, this work table is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for DIYers and professionals alike. Plus, at a price point of around $140, it offers exceptional value. If you're short on space or need something that can adapt to various...
Product number 3, Wen Variable Speed Scroll Saw. Moving on to the Wen Variable Speed Scroll Saw. I've got to say, I wasn't sure what to expect from a scroll saw, but this one blew me away. With a throat depth of 16 inches, I was able to cut intricate designs in wood that I never thought possible. The variable speed feature, ranging from 400 to 1600 strokes per minute, meant I could adjust the speed based on the material I was working with. This flexibility was a game changer. When I first started using it, the spacious 16-inch by 11-inch table proved to be a perfect work surface for my projects. I was able to make angled cuts easily thanks to the 45-degree bevel capacity. I often found myself lost in the rhythm of cutting, and the built-in work light was incredibly helpful for my detailed work. It illuminated every cut, ensuring I didn't miss a single detail. One feature I particularly appreciated was the thumb screw blade adapter, allowing for tool-free blade changes. This made my workflow so much smoother, especially when switching between different types of cuts.
However, because it cuts through wood up to 2 inches thick, I did find that thicker materials required a bit more finesse and patience. Why should you buy the Wen scroll saw? If you're into woodworking and enjoy creating intricate designs, this scroll saw is a must-have. It's affordable at around $100, making it accessible for hobbyists and professionals alike. Whether you're crafting decorative items or tackling more serious projects.
Product number 4, dewalt 12-inch miter saw. Next on the list is the dewalt 12-inch miter saw. This beast is a powerhouse with a 15-amp motor that I found incredibly reliable during my projects. The first thing I noticed was the stainless steel miter detent plate, which comes with 14 positive stops. This feature made precision cuts a breeze. I loved how I could easily adjust the angles without second-guessing myself. The tall sliding fence was another huge plus, supporting up to 5.5 inches of base vertically. I tackled various projects, including crown molding and larger boards, and the cut capacity at 90 degrees and 45 degrees was impressive. The machine felt solid and stable, providing confidence in each cut I made. However, it's worth mentioning that this saw is a bit heavier than some of the other models on the list, which could be a drawback if you're looking for something portable. I found that moving it around the workshop required a bit more effort, but once set up, it was a workhorse that delivered exceptional performance. So why buy the dewalt 12-inch miter saw? If you're serious about woodworking and need a reliable, heavy-duty saw that can handle various applications, this is the one for you. The price point is higher at around $317, but the quality and durability justify the investment. You're getting a tool that can keep up with your ambitious projects and deliver professional-grade results.
Product number 5, mini table saw for crafts. Now, I was skeptical at first about how effective a mini saw could be, but after using it, I was pleasantly surprised. This little powerhouse features dual 795 motors and offers adjustable height settings, which allowed me to tackle various crafts effortlessly. The maximum output of 200 watts and speed up to 12,000 RPM made cutting through small materials a breeze. What really stood out to me was the dual switch control system, which enhances safety. This feature prevents both motors from running simultaneously, giving me peace of mind while working on delicate projects. I've made countless small cuts, and the adjustable height allowed me to personalize my cutting depth, which is fantastic for intricate designs. Switching blades was also a cinch thanks to the industry-first small window blade change design. I didn't waste time fiddling with screws, allowing me to focus on my projects. However, since it's a mini saw, it may not be suitable for larger projects or thicker materials. I found it ideal for crafting, model building, and DIY projects though. Why should you consider this mini table saw? If you're a hobbyist or someone who enjoys crafting, this tool is a fantastic addition to your toolkit. Priced around $130, it delivers excellent value for its capabilities. Plus, it comes with a 3-year warranty, showcasing the manufacturer's confidence in its durability. If you're looking for a compact, versatile tool that can handle various materials.
So there you have it, folks. 5 fantastic table saws for woodworking that cater to various needs and budgets. Each has its strengths, whether you're looking for power, portability, or precision. My top recommendation? It really depends on your specific needs, but you can't go wrong with any of these choices. Happy